The first traffic light in the US goes up, a telephone pioneer goes down, and one of the first mass-produced PCs is unveiled. It all happened this week in tech history. This week in 1914, the American Traffic Signal Company installed the first electric traffic light to be used in the U.S. Installed on the corner of East 105th Street and Euclid Avenue in Cleveland, Ohio, it featured just two colors, red and green, with the words "Stop" and "Move." Bells on each pole rang when the traffic was to proceed. Two long rings for Euclid Avenue traffic and one long ring for East 105th Street. In 1922 this week, telephone pioneer Alexander Graham Bell died. 2 days later, every telephone in the US and Canada went silent as the Bell system shut down every one of its switchboards and switching stations for 1 minute in memory of Bell. During this time, none of the 13 million telephones in operation could be used. This week in 1977, Tandy Corporation's TRS-80, one of the world's first mass-produced personal computers, was unveiled at New York's Warwick Hotel. Sold through Radio Shack, which was owned by Tandy at the time, the $600 system featured a black and white monitor, cassette tape storage, 4 kilobytes of RAM, and a 1.78 megahertz processor. Until 1982, the TRS-80 was the best-selling PC line, outselling the Apple II series 5-1. And this week in 1991, Tim Berners-Lee released files describing his idea for the World Wide Web. Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web 2 years earlier while working at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. The decision was made, thankfully, to release the World Wide Web into public domain rather than profiting from it. As a result, the World Wide Web is now a part of our daily life. That's our look back at This Week in Tech History, brought to you by IFA in Berlin.
IFA, the Global Innovations Show. Meet the official partner of the future in Berlin.
Hey everyone, Cameron Graveline here. Remember, call in, win stuff. Thank you.
Visit us online at intotomorrow.com, where you can find out how to listen to our weekly Into Tomorrow radio program and participate and win in our cool Into Tomorrow Hot Summer giveaway. Catch you next time on This Week in Tech History.